In this video, I'm going to show how to solve the absolute value inequality and then also how it represented in a graphing or a graph line. Okay, so similar to solving equations, we're going to look at making sure that the absolute value is isolated. There's nothing in the front or in the end of this absolute value, which there isn't. So now we're going to ask ourselves, what could be the answers here that could be less than 7? And there's a lot. There's absolute value of 3, that's less than 7, absolute value of 5. So there's so many answers that's why you have to represent the solutions in a number line. You're going to replicate the pattern of writing this 2 times, this written with the positive 7 and this written with the negative 7. So when we write the positive, we just copy what we have. And then when we write the negative, we're going to write the flipped version of that symbol, the inequality symbol, along with negative 7. What we're going to do next is just solve for x. So this is attached. We're going to get rid of 3, so plus 3 on both sides. 2x less than 10. And then here we solve for x by dividing by 2. So the answer for this inequality is x is less than 5. On this one, we're going to follow the same steps of adding 3 to both sides. And then negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. Divide by 2. X is greater than negative 2. So there's a lot of answers that could make this inequality true. So we're going to just write those in a graph number line. Between these two values, negative 2 will go first because of least to greatest. And then we put a circle representing this is where we stop. X is greater than negative 2. So when x is greater than negative 2, we shade this way. X is less than 5, so we shade this way. And this is how we represent the answer for this one. So if you look at the answer choices, we're looking at choosing between probably the last one, which is negative 2 and 5, and then it's shaded in between. Yeah, so the last option will be the answer here.